Are we Gucci? I think we are. I don't know what YouTube is though. Do not know what YouTube is. I think we are. I don't know. I do not know if YouTube is. I was trying to get on at like it's been 2 hours basically at this point. Like the YouTube studio was not working at all, and then like the entire site died. It's like YouTube was getting got. Seems fine now though. YouTube servers back online. A bit unfortunate, but this might be the last stream. Might be the last stream. I think tomorrow. And I think tomorrow like in the like afternoon-ish. So either like I stream during the day or nothing. And I have to like pack and go do shit outside my house. We'll see. Maybe we'll squeeze something in. CBD. Yeah, I mean, in terms of getting caught up though, nothing really happened, right? Kind of talk about potentially having the scalp here yesterday. Like I already updated the levels, but like this kind of golden pocket level got rid of a bouncer if you ended up taking that thing, but like obviously stop loss break even to account for this kind of shit happening. And now we're just kind of ding donging a bit lower. Not a whole lot has happened, to be honest. Be honest. To be honest. I don't know if this is even gonna work. Because I was trying to like while YouTube wasn't working, I was like trying to do something. And whenever I load it, like the bar on the left is not like working properly. Even now. Seems like there's a couple of people in here. The one thing I noticed is like the subsection was working. You click on subscriptions, but the actual like homepage on YouTube was cooked, mega cooked. So I was watching the new Moonshot episode. On top of playing with the new Claude model, right? You got a new Sonnet model today. Nerded out on that shit. Oh, come on. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Oh my gosh.
Whole fam up now. Yeah. Lights low, charts glow. Yeah, yeah. Fam good, whole table eating. Long nights turn a lifetime feasting. Cold charts, but the place stay heated. Took the risk, not a mission completed. Fam good, put the stress in the past. Every move, math sharp like glass. City lights blur when the bins go fast. Made it out the lows, now we built to last. Woke up in silk sheets, rain hit the skylight. Used to pray for a break, now it's highlight. Mom's tears turn gold when the trade's clear. Now the fam overseas with the waves near. Precision in my blood, every entry surgical. Turn the pain to a game, now it's purposeful. I see the stress fade every time they smile. All from a chart and a little exile. Yeah. All from a chart and a little exile. Yeah. Fam good, whole table eating. Long nights turn a lifetime feasting. Cold charts, but the place stay heated. Took the risk, now the mission completed. Fam good, put the stress in the past. Every move, math sharp like glass. City lights blur when the bins go fast. Made it out the lows, now we build Back when the nights had more fear than sleep, I was deep in the charts, no peer, no cheat. Whole fam on my back, but the grind felt right. Cause the numbers never lie when you read them at night. Now we toast on the deck of a yacht under moon haze, laughing about the times we was lost in the gloom phase. Every bag I secured is a seat at the feast, from the west coast sun to the lights in the east. We ain't going back now. No, the math saved us, the math paid us. Every tick, every risk, built this. Fam good, whole table eating. Long nights turn a lifetime feasting. Cold charge, but the place stay heated. Took the risk, now the mission completed. Fam good, put the stress in the past. City lights blur when the bins go fast. Made it out the lows, now we built to last. Charts lit, bags up, Marcos, let's go. We cashing in, let it rain, let it pour. Champagne pop, now we dancing on the floor. Profit hits, sweet, yeah, I'm wanting some more. Club lights flash while we running up the score. Candle to the moon, now the drinks on me. Trade so clean, got the crew on free. Hands in the air if you feel that green. Tonight we up like the charts, that's me. Tick by tick, yeah, the map don't play. Stack that win, let it ride all day. DJ drop heat like my entry stay. Every move hit, yeah, the profit my pay. Dance with the beat while the bags inflate. Never chase highs, I just set then wait. Now I'm in the zone, club full, no hate. Life so sweet when the charts rotate. We cashing in, let it rain, let it pour. Champagne pop, now we dancing on the floor. Profit hits, sweet, yeah, I'm wanting some more. Club lights flash while we running up the score. Candle to the moon, now the drinks on me. Trade so clean, got the crew on.
Man, my fucking oh, this call. Yeah, my timeline on this fucking X, holy shit. I think it's just non-stop, just fucking like my poly market bot made $50 million in one day. Like a fucking endless amount of spam. Let's do something a bit more useful than that.
Marcos trades, windows low, charts high, moves with the gang. Yeah, price
First Kamal, yo, yo,
in the back.
yo, yo,
Yeah, we run it like that. Every candle
yo, yo.
one signal drop, whole squad react. We don't talk loud, now we talking the math. Every point precise like we cut with a draft. Profits in the trunk, couple racks in the stash. Bear try step, he gon' leave in the past. Yeah, trading with the gang, we don't miss no play.
Starting the nerd out.
Stack racks all day. Move so clean, they just watch, can't say. West Coast
One nerd out.
charts still sway. Trading with the gang, we don't miss no play. Levels hit perfect.
The hell are you talking about?
Marco's in the cut, real calm, no spray. We just count up while the rest gon' pray. Hands on the wheel, mind locked on the zone. Market in my pocket, whole trend I own. Each pullback, yeah, that's a step to the entry so cold it could chill your phone. Never rush moves, got the patience built in. One green flash and a profit locked in. Squad all sharp, yeah, the circle all win. Math on the board, that's the code we in. We don't miss no play. Nah, slow roll, win, stack racks all day. Yeah, move so clean, they just watch, can't say. West Coast cool, while the charts still sway. Trading with the gang, we don't miss no play. Never. Levels hit perfect, watch the candles obey. Yeah, Marco's in the cut, real calm, no spray. Yeah, we just count up while the rest gon' pray. Yeah,
Isn't this working?
Marco's trades, cool moves, cold math. Gang eat together, always.
Yeah. Whole gang lit. Bags heavy. Marco.
The nerd out, starting the nerd out.
That's fact. Stack so tall, yeah, don't collapse. Lights on us, while the beat go slap. Every tray hit, now the bottles get cracked. Gang in the spot, we ain't missing no play. Money keep dancing like it's on replay. Hands up high when we run that game. Profits go wild when they hear our name. Deep in the zone, but we still gon' vibe. Trade flow heat while the club get live. Entries crisp, we don't chase that tide. Just wait for the move, then the gang gon' ride. Shorts get squeezed, yeah, we love that pop. Long take flight when the biz don't stop. From the charts to the flow, we connect that drop. Every move locked in, whole squad on top. We in the charts with the crew that's back. Stack so tall, yeah, don't collapse. Lights on us while the beat go slap. Every tray hit, now the bottles get cracked. Gang in the spot, we ain't missing no play. Money keep dancing like it's on replay. Hands up high when we run that game. Profits go wild when they hear our name. Late night, nights, charts glow, gang tight. Move smart, play right. We gon' win all night. We in the charts with the crew that's back. Stack so tall, yeah, it don't collapse. Lights on us while the beat go slap. Every trade hit, now the bottles get cracked. Gang in the spot.
No, I will say, every time I get on this computer now, I miss this ChatGPT codex. It is much more inconvenient to be actually on VS Code doing all these things. I'm being honest. Hopefully they all release something like that.
We move risky, math in the clip, lifestyle 50-50. Yeah, charts look calm, but the waves still deadly. High stake plays, every entry feel edgy. Cold eyes stare when the numbers turn heavy. Ice on my neck, but the trigger finger ready. Fade the herd, I don't follow no sheep. Yacht life days, but the grind don't sleep. High leverage shots, they gon' feel that heat. Price at my line, that's $1 million a week. We move risky, math like a drum, let it hit me. Clips both ways if they tempt me. Profits and pressures 50-50, yeah. Risky, lifestyle wild, but it fits me. Long nights turn to the Bentley keys. High stakes, high life, come get with me, yeah. Fake consensus, let the market talk slow. Shorts get squeezed while the Lambo top go. Feast on the charts, every candle I know. From the bottom now it's all high floors, no low. Count chips in the penthouse suite. Glass floor view while the city don't sleep.
Oh, I mean, interesting that you wrote something though. I guess YouTube is working. There show some viewers in here, but I don't know. Chat's working, chat's not working, etc.
Risky, but the math still clean. Charts in the streets both know what I mean.
So
Delta running, gamma jump, that to burn while we sip that rum. In Greece with the Greeks, we thumb through some. Cash flow hitting like the island drums. Vegas shine, the view's insane. White domes under that golden flame. Trade a map and toe champagne. Lucy's calling out my name.
Charts up high like the cliffs we stand. Olive oil drip, I got pips in hand. Making those nights with the beat so grand. Greeks in Greece, we don't need no plan. Let the fade slow like the sunset hue. Delta swing fast, watch the sky turn blue. Profit so sweet like the grapes they grew. Seterini dreams, every tick come true.
there's a massive liquidation down here. Massive. Right, the ETF thing we were talking about too. Interesting. Interesting. Heh. Very interesting.
Delta running, gamma jump, data burn while we sip that rum.
Ba-ba-ba-ba.
With the Greeks, we thumb through some. Cash flow hitting like the island drums. Vegas shine, the view's insane. White domes under that golden flame. Trade the map and toe champagne. Lucy's calling out my name.
Math in the market, breeze in the sales. Greece forever. Profit for. Marcos.
7-1.
Out toes in the sand. Bag getting bigger while the tide come in. Trading on the beach, waves keep crashing. Laptop glow while the profits keep flashing. Sun so bright, shades stay low. Orders get filled while the palm trees blow. Trading on the beach, 10 game strong. Bag stack high, can't do no wrong. Salt in the air, life tastes sweet. We get paid while the waves repeat. Let's go. Get paid while the waves repeat. Let's go. Let's go.
For the math? Go out to the math. I've had a lingering cough for like 2 weeks straight, man. Fuck is this bullshit?
Ibiza nights, chart lights. We treat different. Trading from the villa in Ibiza. Golden 10 shot up, no visa. Nah, cocktails mess sweet like a teaser.
Forgot number on that one.
Deeper, deeper.
Candle glow, sun on skin. Limit hit, get a fib locked in. Poolside bag with a summer grin. Marcos trades, let the wins begin. Wi-Fi strong, but the vibe still lazy. Tings and bikinis, charts go crazy. 618, watch the bounce so wavy. Profit hit now, now the haters all shade. Lobster lunch, then a scalp for dessert. Villa got views and a bag come first. Don't need stress, just math that works. Summer in sync with the fib alert.
Trading from the villa in Ibiza. Golden 10 shot up, no visa. Cocktails mess sweet like a teaser. Woke up rich, now the view got deeper.
Candle glow, sun on skin. Limit hit, get a fib locked in. Poolside bag with a summer grin. Marcos trades, let the wins begin.
Hmm. This is like 2 boxes in reality. For being honest.
Trading from the villa in Ibiza.
Wrist on cold, but the chart got fever.
9-3.
No chase, just plan, that's cleaner. Marcos moves like a summer leader.
Is that?
Marco got the levels mapped out, that's facts. Fibs on chart, I'm loading at the cracks. 6-6 tap, I double my stack. Ops all green, then it all went black. Golden bounce, price come dance. Hit that field, now I'm in advance. Entry sweet like a late night text. Wick touch deep, now the chart say blessed. Golden bounce, hold and run. Math got me armed like I'm holding a drum. 0.618, the base for the kill. Stack gets bigger when the wick get real. I don't flinch, I don't blink when it hit. 702, I'm sitting in the pit. Trap line hidden, tag that price. Order get filled, chart looking nice. I might ladder from the 6-6 clean. Then that more down to 7-8 mean. Pull back wicked, op start stress. I stay cool, that wick so blessed. She roll my wood while I count these racks. Price touch once, ain't never come back. We don't chase, we place then chill. Golden pocket, got that thrill. Golden bounce, price come dance. Hit that field, now I'm in advance. Entry sweet like a late night text. Wick touch deep, now the chart say blessed. Golden bounce, hold and run. Math got me armed like I'm holding a drum. 618, yeah, that sparked my thrill. 7-5 hit, I'm way too chill. Pull back, moving like you know my play. I'm just chilling, watch the tape replay. They rush by as I wait for the K. Get that field, then chart obey. 6-6 fib got ops in fear. Price bounce off it, then disappear. Marcos don't flinch, Marcos don't sweat. Big field hit, it ain't touched yet. Bad bitch with me rolling up again. I'm just laughing, looking at the 7-2 bend. Wick come kissing that deep retrace. I just flipped that back to base. Golden bounce, price come dance. Hit that fib, now I'm in advance. Entry sweet like a late night text. Wick touch deep, now the chart say bless. Golden bounce, hold and run. Math got me armed like like I'm holding a drum.
So these two zones we talked about on the Discord. There's also like a bunch here to be honest, but if it's worth marking them out, keep it in mind anyways.
They want vibes, I want math.
Keep like this for now.
Yeah, Marcos, you sure of that? Ha! Bottom in, baby. Now we dancing. Short the floor, you crazy. Price went moon, now you shaky. I bought low, now it pay me. You went short, now you hate me. Mad short, now you do that. Now you crying in your group chat. Not so tight, I don't do cap. Caught that wig, now I flew past. They said bearish, I said bet. Tap that fib, then place the nets. While they panic, I just flex. Profit hit, now cut the check. You fight trend, I just dance. Hit one trade, now I'm in France. Shorted lows, that's no chance. Now your funds wearing sweatpants, bro. Short the floor, you crazy. Price went moon, now you shaky. I bought low, now it pay me. You went short, now you hate me. You a floor, why you do that? Now you crying in your group chat. Not so tight, I don't do cap. Caught that wig, now I flew past. Bottom call, I ring that bell. Up short, low, straight into hell. With that dip, that's where I dwell. I stack games while they just yell. Short the floor, you crazy. Price went moon, now you shaky. I bought low, now it pay me. You went short, now you hate me. You a floor, hey, don't do that. Now you crying in your group chat. Not so tight, I don't do cap. Caught that wig, now I flew past.
Cold man, war man, war man. Dance it. Now they feel it.
I mean, realistically, if we come down here, unless it's like one of these fucking
Midnight charge for the world slow. Profit hit, watch the pace grow. Made it off the map, not the bankroll. Stress bill, I ain't fold. Used to pray for a long.
unless we do one of these again, quite likely that's Gengar rates.
Made it from the noise with the charts I spoke.
Quite likely.
Now they DM like save me a chair. Used to stare at the screen in the dark. Now the room glow blue from the charts. No flex, this is life on code. No guess, this is levels I wrote. Fib drawn like a sniper scope. Price hit pixel, then it flow. Jet black whip through the market zone. Limit order set, then I'm gone. Trade talk quiet, bank roll loud. I'm moving decimals, not in crowds. Came up solid, not a screen glow. Midnight charge for the world slow. Profit here, watch the pace grow. Made it up the map, not the bankroll. Stress bill, I ain't fold. Used to pray for a line to hold. Now the villa got marble floors. Made it from the noise with the charts I spoke. Whispers in the candle wicks. Zones hit deep, then it rips. Told him I went off the wrist. Now the ghost I exist in the script. From the dark to the data. No love, just layers.
Ugh.
They chase, I calculate.
Ba-bum.
Off the way to the tape.
Marcos. Island breeze, charties, we up the bliss. Me catch the long, me never stress. Deny me eyes, I'm
Need more water.
gon' fly. Golden pocket, me
But I need more water.
clean like suit and tie. Pull back sweet, we buy with size. Mad so crisp, me no need feel like. Profit jump like carnival ride. Trading high, them haters cry. me hold it tight. Digital wings on island nights as Marcus.
Top down, charts up, Marcos. Trading in the Lambo, charts on the dash, watch it go. Money moves in turbo mode, speeding through these fibs, I know. Lights flash from the prophecy, midnight cruise with the candle lit. Wheels spin like the antics do, making bands with the cleanest view. Marcos. Marcos. Marcos.
Let us see time map then go. Cuban links when the fibs unfold. Auto 10 with the zone on glow. Woke up, tapped in, let the market roll. Left lane with the TP set. Wind blowing like a spreads, I bet. Rear view full of missed regrets, but I'm chilling now. No stress, no sweat.
Nights so young, we charting glass.
Interesting.
Pinks and greens up on that drive. No back test, I'll pass that vibe. But this one, ooh, is prime to ride. Trading in the Lambo, shots on the dash, watch it go. Money moves in turbo mode, speeding through these fibs, I know that. Lights flash from the prophecy, flash. Midnight cruise with the candle lit. Wheels spin like the inches do, making bands with the cleanest view.
Marcos.
There's nothing really interesting this week, right? FOMC meeting minutes tomorrow. Guess you have some interesting stuff into the week. Nvidia earnings next week.
That's 618 hitting nice. Marco's in the booth with the blueprint. You already know what time it is. Do the math, run it back. Price hit fizz, now I'm on attack. Let's take that shot, take no cap. That 702 hit clean, no lag. Clean, do the math, make it clap. Profit hit, now shorty's throwing back. Map that zone like a piece of art. Now we charting on the dance floor smart. Pulled up with the 5 levels blowing. Price touchdown, now the gains keep flowing. Top long gone, now I'm zoning golden. Dead op charts in the pack, we rolling. Late night plays where they all guessing. Now the slide with math and a little discretion. Auto TP hit clean, perfection. Marcos don't miss, just learn the lesson. Do the math, run it back. Price hit fibs, now I'm on attack. Take that shot, no cap. That 786 hit deep, I snap. Do the math, that blast. Baddies love it when the levels match. Chart lit up like a neon spark. Trading art with a club beat heart. No emotions, just that code. Perfect feel, yeah, that's how it goes. Don't chase green, I just align. It's all math, baby, every time. Do the math, run it back. Hit my zone and it fades to black. Never hope, just map that path. Fibonacci lines got me feeling that cash. Do the math,
What?
fit while she arch her back. Map that trade, then danced it out. Now the club's in sync with the route, no doubt.
What the fuck? Is GitHub not working either?
Yeah. Stay off the drain. I'm off the map. Can't hear you from the tarmac. Goofy. Marcos. Marcos. Woke up in the villa with the windows blue tint. My Carlo light trays hit while I ran. Stay steak while the euro slid 5 pips. Didn't even check the chart, it's all instinct. She said, you good? I said, barely. Off the map drifting, slow in the McLaren. AP looked like the chart I sketched, no cap. The face even showing resistance levels. You panic when the price go parabolic. I just lean back in this Paris-loft melodic. She ride like a trend off CPI lies. I hedge her love in the penthouse sky. Off the math, off it.
What the fuck? It's not still letting me clone my repo. The hell is this? I cloned the other one?
I bought that zone, then I bought that car. Ferrari wide like a weekly gap, and the fill hit hard like a Marcus. Charles paid lunch, didn't even log in. Bot took the scalp, now I'm jogging. Palm trees bend where I parked the rose. Price came back, then I split that soul. Lamborghini yellow like Euro strength. She curved like fib, I marked her length. Back test cold, but my heart on rest. Yacht hit waves, but the stats digest. Dubai high rise, wrist look fine. Chart like silk when she whine in time. Told her baby don't guess, just breathe. Price gon' come, just believe the speed. Off the math, I ain't even here. Jet too loud, wrist too clear. Draw down fake, profit too real. They want the alpha, but they can't feel. Off the math, lost in charts. I bought that zone, then I bought that car. Ferrari wide like a weekly gap, and the field hit hard like a market slap. Off the weed, that's childish. Off the lane,
Oh, I see.
it's broke.
I'm logged into the wrong GitHub account. I was like, what the fuck? What's wrong with this shit? What does it say? Boy.
You chase that? Nah, I'm chillin'. Margot's never rush it. Let it come back. Watch this.
There's always another one. Math gon' line me up. No need to chase that run. I let the chart show love. There's always another one. Price pull back, I slide. Y'all FOMO just for fun. I catch it when it's right. Let's ride. They buy green, I sip tea. I don't chase, I let it be. Play that zone like poetry. I'm in sync, no urgency. Betty's dancing, mama beat. Trey hit smooth, then we eat. TP flashing like a strobe. Hit that exit, then reload. There's always another one. Math gon' line me up. No need to chase that run. I let the chart show love. There's always another one. Price pull back, I slide. Y'all FOMO just for fun. I catch it when it's right. Wait for it. Plan that hit, don't pray for it. Chart don't owe you, play it smart. Patience, baby, that's the art. Marcos. There's always another one. Math gon' line me up. No need to chase that run. I let the chart show love. There's always another one. Price pull back, I slide. Y'all FOMO just for fun. I catch it when it's right. Money, math.
I said I was juicy. Marcos.
Juicy trade, yeah, I'm locked in. Chart said go, so I dropped in. Price hit sweet like a mango slice. Took that feel, now I'm feeling nice.
Money dance on the P&L. That green look good, can't even tell. No, woke up rich, no luck, no spell. Just fibs and faith, I play it well. Tapped in clean with the entry math. Volume spike, yeah, I felt that path. Candle big like it hit the gas. Now the whole team poppin', champs in the bag. Sun still up, but the bags got fatter. Phone on mute, but my text got chatter. She hit target, yeah, with swagger. Juicy move, now we talking better.
Let it run, let it breathe. Price and rhythm, I believe. Not a chase, just a tease. Trade so ripe, got 'em weak in the knees. Let it run, let it breathe. Price and rhythm, I believe. Not a chase, just a tease. Trade so right, got 'em weak in the knees. Juicy trade, yeah, I'm locked in. Chart said go, so I dropped in. Price hit sweet like a mango slice. Took that feel, now I'm feeling nice.
Money dance on the P&L. That green look good, can't even tell. Woke up rich, no luck, no spell. Just fibs and faith, I play it well. Can I play, not pray? Nope. Juicy wrist, sweet pain. Back tested all day, so the wind hit clean like
Chart said bite, so I took that fruit. Now I'm outside in the golden coupe. Trade so fat, had a screenshot twice. That juicy entry changed my life. Am I?
Hey, told him watch the numbers. Marcos, math talk different. Facts. We up. Let's go. Matt don't lie, price gon' tell. I just said that 50 chill. 25 touch, that feel was real. 618, yeah, that's the kill. Matt don't flinch, I follow code. Wrist map tight, that profit low. Others hope I chart and hold. One trade, flip that wrist to go. Block that zone and let it breathe. While they chase, I plant that seed. Red to green, I see that lead. Matt say, wait, now watch me eat. They got dreams, I got plans. They got vibes, I got scans. I don't blink when price expands. I just read it like it's scanned. Matt don't lie, price gon' tell. I just said that feel then chill. If I touch that feel was real. 618, yeah, that's the kill. Matt don't flinch, I follow code. Wrist map tight, that profit low. Others hope I chart and hold. One trade, flip that wrist to go. Price skirt talking, I don't speak. Let that wig come kiss my cheek. Order stack like bricks, real neat. Math hit once, I'm off this seat. Wrote that range like holy text. Every level got respect. They still guess I just detect. Matt don't lie, just place and check. Blue lines glowing on the screen. Night still chart, moving me. Matt says sell, I press that key. Next day, yacht life by the sea. Matt don't lie, price gon' tell. I just said that 50 chill. 0.5 touch, that feel was real. 618, yeah, that's the kill. Matt don't flinch, I follow code. Wrist map tight, that profit low. Others hope I chart and hold. One trade, flip that wrist to go. Marcos.
Lines on glow, watch you pull back. Marcos got the fibs on track. Deep retrace, now we attack. Golden zone, no looking back.
5 minutes till the 30-minute candle. Boa! Boa! Boa!
Fibonacci, feel that zone.
30-minute dose.
618, we in that zone.
Oh, I just full screen this instead of being a dumbass.
Touch the line, then I'm gone. Profit hit, I'm in my zone. 702, that bounce get wild. 75, now price on trial. 786, that entry vial. Caught the wick with math and style. 702, that bounce get wild. 75, now price on trial. 786, that entry vial. Caught the wick with math and style. Price to the fib, I don't flinch. Stacking at levels inch by inch. They chase green, I plant the seed. Move in silence, let it breathe. 0.5, warm up play. 618, the real buffet. Heavy at 7.5, we deep. Catching that wick while they still sleep. It's not hope, it's plotted out. Math be dancing, no doubt. Late night screen glow, got me lit. Candle kissing every fit. Fibonacci, feel that zone. 618, we in that zone. Touch the line, then I'm gone. Profit hit, I'm in my zone. 702, that bounce get wild. 7.5, now price on trial. 786, that entry vial. Caught the wick with math and style. 702, that bounce get wild. 7.5, now price on trial. 786, that entry vial. Caught the wick with math and style. No more guessing, just precision. No emotions, just the vision. They want hype, I want the rain. Chart react, I don't explain. Golden pocket glowing still. Price obeys the math, the will. Marcos drew it, price complied. Fibs don't miss, we let it ride. Fibonacci, feel that zone. 618, we in that zone. Touch the line, then I'm gone. Profit hit, I'm in my zone. 702, that bounce get wild. 7.5, now price on trial. 786, that entry vial. Caught the wick with math and style. 702, that bounce get wild. 7.5, now price on trial. 786, that entry vial. Caught the wick with feel that zone.
Yeah, yeah. Sometimes you win, sometimes the market bites back.
SL slide. Got.
Marcos.
Got SL slides. Woke up cute, but the chart said bye. Caught that wick, no alibi. Shook me out while I sip my chai. Got math went left. Thought I was cooked, but I still look fresh. Bounce right back, no stress. Even when it hits, I flex. Got SL slash. Woke up cute, but the chart said bye. Caught that wig, no alibi. Shook me out while I sip my chai. Got math went left. Thought I was cooked, but I still look fresh. Bounce right back, no stress. Even when it hits, I flex. Set the zone, but the wig kept fangs. Snipe my stop, then took off dang. Drop my T, spit it on the max. For the group chat, yeah, I'm back. Drop me once, I'm mad though. Man still sharp like a blade on gold. Double it up, we still move bold. When I lost, baby, we don't fold. Got SL slides. Woke up cute, but the chart said bye. Caught that wig, no alibi. Shook me out while I sip my chai. Got math went left. Thought I was cooked, but I still look fresh. Bounce right back, no stress. Even when it hits, I flex. It's all part of the dance. Fibs hit weird, take another chance. Miss the chart, never chase. Cause profit loves a patient face. Gotta be still knock. Lick my wounds while I moonwalk. Chart said no, but I said plot. Back in the lab, next flip get dropped. Got a mask still go. Took that L, now my wrist on froze. Club too loud for a chart regret. So I danced it off, no sweat.
Okay.
Marcos.
Bum,
Trade
bum,
safe.
bum, 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 bum.
Still it though.
Okay.
It's a risk right, I don't lose light. Stop set tight like a dress all night. Mask so clean it feel like flight. I don't guess, I just play it right. Risk right, it's the glow up move. Cleanse so fly, I don't need to prove. They go wild, I just stay smooth. 1 or 3 hit, now I'm in the groove. Now I'm in the groove. I ain't blowing up no bag, that's wild. Never. Chart looks sweet, but I wait a while. Wait, they go full send, I go precise. Hit that stop once.
This thing doing?
Step clean, tight game on lock. That wrist small, but the gang gon' pop. While they panic, I just chill. My stop like silk, soft but real smooth. Wrist right, I don't lose light. Stop set tight like a dress all night. Map so clean it feel like flight. I don't guess, I just play it right. Wrist right, it's the glow up move. Plan so fly, I don't need to prove. They go wild, I just stay smooth. 1 or 3 hit, now I'm in the groove. Now I'm in the groove. Keep it tight, never too loose. I set that line, then let it juice. You chase green, I choose blue. Manage risk, that's how I move. Keep it tight, never too loose. I set that line, then let it juice. You chase green, I choose blue. Manage risk, that's all night. Risk right, I don't lose light. Stop set tight like a dress all night. Mask so clean it feel like flight. I don't guess, I just play it right. Risk right, it's the glow up move. Plan so fly, I don't need to prove. They go wild, I just stay smooth. 1 or 3 hit, now I'm in the groove. Now I'm in the groove.
This is not so bad. Not so bad.
Wait for the 30. Hold up. Don't rush and don't get dirty. Patience make it flirty. Confirmation coming sturdy. Wait for the 30. Hold up. Don't rush and don't get dirty. Patience make it flirty. Confirmation coming sturdy. Candle close, mean truth. Jumping early, that's uncool. Body big, wig tight. Now I snipe that move just right. Ops impulsive, caught in traps. Me, I wait, then I snap. Time to tick, I don't twitch. Level hold, I'm getting rich. Just a few more minutes now. Wanna jump, don't do it now. Let it print, let it ride. Then we gliding on the tide. Wait for the 30. Hold up, don't rush and don't get dirty. Patience make it 30. Confirmation coming sturdy. Wait for the 30. Hold up, don't rush and don't get dirty. Patience make it flirty. Confirmation coming sturdy. The FOMO and I breathe slow. Time to flash. That's my go. No emotion, pure control. Marco's math. That's how I roll. When the 30 close, I shine. Hit my zone, perfect line. No regrets, just the climb. This my trade, this my time. When the 30 close, I shine. Hit my zone, perfect line. No regrets, just the climb. This my trade, this my time.
Marco's running numbers, yeah, the math too tight. All time highs got them pressed on sight. They talking down, we just moving through the spite. Breaking out the chart while they lose in the fight. All time high, now they mad again. Candle breaking out, price back on 10. Profit in the bag, racks never been. I just ride the math, don't need no friends. Golden pocket hit, yeah, I double in. Haters talking slick, never cashing in. Pixel perfect touch, then I win again. All time high, they can't pretend. Smoking on logic, the chart hit a lift. Marco's got precision, entry was swift. Dead ops crying, they fumbled the shift. I'm cooking up mad like I'm whipping a brick. 618 with a 702. Stack the Fibonacci, now the bag come through. Wrote my lines, market came like glue. How you mad? I knew what the math would do. All time high, now they mad again. Candle breaking out, price back on 10. Profit in the bag, racks never been. I just ride the math, don't need no friends. Golden pocket hit, yeah, I double in. Haters talking slick, never cashing in. Pixel perfect touch, then I win again. All time high, they can't pretend. I ain't looking left, that's trap talk. They stuck in drawdown, we lap y'all. Price break, range, that's jackpot. I print on Ray Day, no back talk. Imaginary line still hitting on cue. While they chasing hype, I'm chilling with view. Lambo dreams, that's my walkthrough. Chart look clean like it's dressed in new. All time high, now they mad again. Candle breaking out, price back on 10. Profit in the bag, racks never been. I just ride a math, don't need no friends.
Target lock, yeah, hit it with precision. Price pull back, then I nailed the position. Boom, wrist on chart, yeah, the math got the vision. Ice, dancing in the green, yeah, we live in the mission. Yeah. level, draw the zone, place the line. Price tap once, then it bounce right on time. I don't chase, I wait, let it come to me. Hit that TP like a shot from 3. Club lights flash, straight locked in. Profit running like it's trying to win. I ain't emotional, I'm surgical. All my feels look vertical. He's so clean with the wrist control. PT 1, 2, 3, let it roll. Wanna dance while the charts unfold. That Marco's math hit different. Target lock, yeah, hit it with precision. Price pull back, then I nailed the position. Boom, wrist on chart, yeah, the math got the vision. Ice, dancing in the green, yeah, we live in the mission. TP get in touch like it's made for me. Math so tight, it obeys the key. Things love the nose, Fibonacci smooth. 6 tag, then we bust that.
I'm hungry, boy.
It's like it's late night, gas stop, loss, break even, we
I'm
move
fucking
fast.
hungry.
Winning like I'm wired to the plan. Every target hit, I don't need no chance. Hit that target, hit that line. Math in motion, perfect time. No emotion, just a grind. Marco's lock, profit shine. Yeah, hit it with precision. Price pull back, then I nailed the position. Wrist on chart, yeah, the math got the vision. Dancing in the green, yeah, we live in the mission.
Hey, talking charts, talking facts, emotions. That's trash. Woo! It's Marcos. Let's go. The math is the math. Don't care how you feel, just run the stat. You pray for pumps. I plan the path, you scalp that wick. The math is the math. Yo, edge ain't real, that wrist too flat. I don't chase green. I stacked and dash. I said it before. And now you got smashed. Trade too clean. Set up cold. Candle tap, I enter bold. Stop loss tight, I'm in control. You over leverage, pay that toll. Risk per trade, I size that light. You size from hope, I size from right. Edge confirmed, I press at night. Wake up rich, you tweet your fight. No strategy, that's just noise. Back this week, you just a voice. I run that sim, I ride with poise. You trade regret, I trade with choice. The math is the math. Don't care how you feel, just run the stat. You pray for pumps. I plan the path, you scalp that wick. The math is the math. Yo, edge ain't real, that wrist too flat. I don't chase green. I stacked and dash, I said it before. And now you got smashed. Proper risk to find. You guess the move, I read the sign. Your trade's a wish, mine's designed. I run the stats, then press rewind. Your whole month, one of my trades, you drop 10K. I just get paid, you scalp the heat. I shade that flame, you hope for more. I built the game, gamma stacked. Delta loaded. Your stop loss just exploded. I draw that zone, then I encode it. You fake conviction, I'm devoted.
It's not emotion. It's not hype. It's numbers. You lost because you never knew what you were even doing. The math.
The math is the math. Don't care how you feel, just run the stat. You pray for pumps. I plan the path, you scalp that wick. The math is the math. Yo, edge ain't real, that wrist too flat. I don't chase green. I stacked and dash. I said it before. And now you got smashed.
No emotion. No guessing. Just math. Marcos. Got him.
They chase the spotlight. I wait for V.
snap. Back in range, I set the trap. Wait for V-Watt, watch the hold. They chase heat, I play cold. If it breaking close is clean, then I step in, build that lean. Get that lean, get that lean, get that lean. Get that lean, get that lean, get that lean. Get that lean, get that lean, get that lean. Get that lean. You hit by cause the candle grew. I watch tape, I already knew. That moves weak, no bit behind. That spike, you love this mine. I don't touch it off first touch. Gotta see if it means that much. V-Watt rolling, I stay still. They gamble quick.
Does this thing ask for permission every file? Are you fucking kidding me? Why is it doing this?
No confirmation, that's a ghost. They got, I just toast. Wait for V-Watt, let it flip. Don't front run, I don't let it dip. They jump high, I let it snap. Back in range, I set the trap. Wait for V-Watt, watch the hold. They chase heat, I play cold. If it break in, close is clean. Then I step in, build that lean. Sweat it lean, it lean, it lean. Price above, but not for long. No, hold. Too strong. Fade that pump, fade that pride. Volume light, I slide.
Okay, we'll do this for now on. Cause on my MacBook, I have like a sandbox for all these like agents. So I just give them full system access. I don't give a fuck. They can just do whatever they want. Run wild.
Wait for V-Watt, let it flip. Don't front run, I let it dip. They jump high, I let it snap. Back in range, I set
You can run wild.
watch the hold. They chase heat, I play cold. If it break in, close is clean. Then I step in, build that lean. I lean, I lean, I lean, I lean. Wait for V-Watt. Don't guess. Just know Marcos.
Marco's trade. With a hat. Pepper look mad. I'm up 6 figs off a Farcoin bag. Yeah, let's go. Dog with hat, I'm waving the leash. Turn to a milli from nothing but means. Bonk hit a fib, I'm letting it squeeze. Chill, got eyes, no stress, just bees. Dogs from $1 to dream. Farcoin fly, that chart obscene. Pepper print, them frogs got green. I'm top ticking these jokes unseen. Popcat scream when the tape go out. I'm deep in the net like a memmed out child. Don't need white papers, don't need trial. Just pixel frogs and degens pile. Bag too fat, wallet obese. Chart go up with 0 piece. Gas fee high, but the bag increase. Front run hype like I wrote the piece. Buy low with a GIF on deck. Elon tweet and I clear my check. Snipe them coins, no pause, no sweat. Every pump I swing with tech. Dog with hat, I'm waving the leash. Turn to a milli from nothing but means. Bonk hit a fib, I'm letting it squeeze. Chill, got eyes, no stress, just bees. Dog from $1 to dreams. Farcoin fly, that chart obscene. Paper print, them frogs got green. I'm top ticking these jokes unseen. I don't chase, they chase that cat. Popcat moon, I just sat back. NFT face, but a pumping stats. Went from jokes to a Lambo rap. My watch say bye, it's a meme clock face. Got a whiff PFP in a multi-place. Never know what I trade, that's part of the taste. Memcoin sniper with a shadow base. Cold with it, I laugh, they beg. Buy on dip while they lose a leg. High risk plays, but the mask still fed. Turn Farcoin gas to 1 billion thread. Dog with hat, I'm waving a leash. Turn to a milli from nothing but means. Bong hit a fib, I'm letting it squeeze. Chill, got eyes, no stress, just bees. Dog from $1 to dream. Farcoin fly, that chart obscene. Paper print, them frogs got green. I'm top ticking these jokes unseen. If it's dumb, it's probably gold. If it bark or blink, I'm in. Marcos.
Target lock, yeah, I hit it with precision. Price pull back, then I nailed the position. Wrist on chart, yeah, the math got the vision. Ice dancing in the green, yeah, we living the mission. tryna win. I ain't emotional, I'm surgical. All my feels look vertical.
He's so clean with the wrist control. PT 1, 2, 3, let it roll. Wanna dance while the charts unfold. That Marco's math hit different. Whoa. Target lock, yeah, I hit it with precision. Price pull back, then I nailed the position. Wrist on chart, yeah, the math got the vision. Ice dancing in the green, yeah, we live in the mission. TP, get in touch like it's made for me. Math so
This is all I have left to eat.
things love the flow. It's
Like, not even one serving of yogurt. Just like
profits like it's late.
100 grams of yogurt in here and like 15 grapes.
Winning like I'm wired to the plan. Every target hit, I don't need no chance. Hit that target, hit that line. Math in motion, perfect time. No emotion, just the grind.
No point buying groceries for half a day.
Profit shine. Target lock, yeah, I hit it with
Bum, 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 bum.
then I nailed the position. Wrist on chart, yeah, the math got the vision. Ice dancing in the green, yeah, we live in the mission. Yeah.
We're gonna be eating good tomorrow, though, I'll tell you that much. I get some fire dinner in Toronto. Boy? First thing I do, I'm not even stopping at home. I'm going straight to dinner. Bum, 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 bum. Boy? Boy? Goddamn.
It's time to light up that hopium. Smoking on bullpack, rolling up bulls in the wood. Green candle trap, thought they understood, but the top ticked hype, I knew they would. Ash on the desk from the overlongs. Now I'm chilling with a trend gone wrong. They saw breakout, I saw bait, I fade emotions, load that way. Pulled up slow in the mad black whip, they max long highs, now they stuck in the dip. Told them the math, but they moved on the tip, so I twisted their trades in a platinum zip. Champagne cold, but the tape's still hot, they ape that wick, I flip the spot. Market makers copy my plot, while bulls blow bags, I take the lot. Top signals in they tweets, I hedge it deep while they chase repeats. They FOMO buys, I short they feats, now I'm rolling green off their defeat. Smoking on bullpack, rolling up bulls in the wood. Green candle trap, thought they understood, but they top ticked hype, I knew they would. Ash on the desk from the overlongs, now I'm chilling with a trend gone wrong. They saw breakout, I saw bait, I fade emotion, I load that weight. Hopium loud, but the math too clear. The stops got hit, that's music to ear. I'm deep in the books, I engineer. The trap so slick, it wiped their chair. They call moon, I said mean reversion. Fibonacci slapping with a market excursion. DJ and Bulls gotta force immersion. Now that they wrecked, I'm blessed, no version. Cherry wood tray with a bull pack lit. Liquidation candle, that's my hit. They bought the euphoria, I flipped the script. Now I'm twisting their dreams and design a zip. Smoke clouds where the longs once stood. They bought the top, I knew they would. Hopium loud, that's my good. They burn, I earn understood. Smoking on bullpack, rolling up bulls in the wood. Green candle trap, thought they understood, but they top tick hype, I knew they would. Ash on the desk from the overlong, now I'm chilling with a trend gone wrong. They saw breakout, I saw bait, I fade emotion, I load that way. Marcos, top bar smoke. The math is the math. You got again.
Got. Okay, close that.
That week ain't real.
Oh, so that one plugged in? What is it called? What was this thing called? On my laptop. Like the plugin that lets the agents actually open the apps and whatnot and like play with them.
Games.
It makes like if they do make a mistake, they like debug it on the spot by actually going on the website or the application. I'm gonna go brush my teeth. Such a time saver, such a time saver. It's crazy.
That's where I sit. Pour high, no excess on sight. They force the wick, I dim the light. Sweep that zone, then drop it right. Back in the box, that auction tight. Belly area high, no close to hold. They chase that wick, got left in cold. That breakout candle, purely sold. I feel that fade, now I print bold. Volume thin where they overreact. I see the trap, I don't get jacked. That was a grab, I map that tack. SFE clean, I slide that stack. No structure, no close. That's the trap. That's a ghost. Value low, I bid that base. They panicked high. I took their place. SFB at the value high. Wick brand stops, then kiss goodbye. They bought the break, I sold that lie. Back in range, they wonder why. Polo sweet, I caught that bid. Fade that fade, then let it slid. They long the trap, I slid and flipped. Now value low, that's where I sit. Liquidity grabbed, I let it burn. Back to balance, I wait my turn. They lost the edge, they never learn. SFP hit, my profits churn. She love my calm, I play too rare. They wanna chase, I trap with care. One wick spike, I'm in midair. They stop out loud, I breathe that air. They read the hype, I read the tape. They bought that wick, I watch escape. No follow through, then it's too late. That swing failed, I claim my ray.
Accepter, what's that?
SFP at the value high. Wick grand stops, then kiss goodbye. They bought the break, I sold that life. Back in range, they wonder why. Polo sweet, I caught that bid. Fade that fake, then let it slip. They long the trap, I slid and flips. Now value low, that's where I sit.
It came exactly where I'm at. Didn't chase, didn't flinch, take profit. Take profit. Take profit, I let it breathe. Didn't need to watch it leave it. Touch the line, no sound, no fight it. Hit the mark, then move from sight. Take profit, that's silent when no loud goes. No need to spin, I watched it come just like the chart. A perfect exit from the start. Take profit. I placed it low when no one looked. Below the wick, beneath the book, they laughed at patience, mocked the weight, but price curved back, aligned with fate. No need to rush, no need to guess. I took the zone, ignored the mess. They screamed for more. I stayed the plan and watched it fill, just like I ran. Take profit. Take profit. I let it breathe. Didn't need to watch it leave different too. Like it hurt me, Marcos.
Profit. But what?
Top faders. Right. Marcos in the B-side. We don't chase pumps, fool.
No, there's actually so many. I forgot. There's this playlist is fucking massive now. I think I haven't even listened to a lot of these songs. One day over the Christmas break, I made like 300, 400 songs or something. So we definitely gotta update the playlist, right?
I let y'all pump, then I fade them schemes. Math been red like a set on flame. Stop hunt clean, who you think run game? Bugatti parked on Rosecrans stripes. Penthouse high, but the wrist on ice.
I don't know if we can automate them getting put into Spotify or something. If we can use the OpenClaw to do that shit. Pretty useful actually. Write that down.
Hit that zone, now your margin broke. Treetop faders, catching that top. You long too early, we letting you drop.
Or even YouTube.
Green, we loaded them shots. Market ain't gangsta, but math get high. Treetop faders, catching that top. You long too early, we letting you drop. You jumping green, we loading them shots. Market ain't gangsta, but math get high. You say breakout, we say.
What is 30-minute candle print? Okay.
SL hit,
Okay.
reaction. You bought fake highs, we fade with passion. D-chain swing when the field get placed. Double R drift like it's past your pace. You beg for trend, we pray for range. And bleed the top like a Pyru name. She asked why red, I said that's clean. Red Rari deep like treetop lean. Back this red, but the profit's green. B on my belt, but the charts stay mean. Treetop faders, catching that top. You long too early, we letting you drop. You jumping green, we loading them shots. Market ain't gangsta, but math get high. Treetop faders, catching that top. You long too early, we letting you drop. You jumping green, we loading them shots. Market ain't gangsta, but math get high. Trends, we end them. Chart get jumped. We slide in silence. Treetop, fade God, Marcos.
Marcos locked in. No missing. No slipping. Only hit. TP hit, that's clean incision. Line got tagged with no revision. Mapped it once, I saw the vision. Trade so tight, it cut precision. Glowing screen, I'm in my pocket. Profit stack, no need to talk it. Numbers dance, I let it rock it. Math on point and they can't mock it. They can't mock it. Got my zones drawn perfect, no cap. Entry so clean it could nap. Snipe that field and watch this snap. With kiss line then boom it clap. Woke up late, still hit my TP. Didn't chase, just played it deeply. Level set like fine machinery. They guess wild, I trade discreetly. Tight stops, big gains, wrote my move and watched it rain. They play games, I stay sane. Profit and I leave no stain. TP hit, that's clean incision. Line got tagged with no revision. Mapped it once, I saw the vision. Trade so tight, it cut precision. Glowing screen, I'm in my pocket. Profit stack, no need to talk it. Numbers dance, I let it rock it. Math on point and they can't mock it. Precision, precision. No guessing, just vision. No friction, no friction. That fill is the mission. Wispy. Wispy. vision, precision, no guessing, just vision, no fiction, no fiction. That fear was the mission.
Ella no baila por vibes, ella baila por datos. Drop it low.
In la golden.
No, yesterday we mentioned the opening like a prop, like out of curiosity, we can make like a prop firm easily using like these tools. A pretty interesting idea, right? Because I've been craving that data, craving it.
She pulled back deep like
I can only imagine how funny it would be to trade using that shit.
sin pretexto. Cadera mueve como price and trend. Bounce down clean, Fibonacci bend. She dip like algo, grip like pen. And that entry click we send. No adivino, I calculate. She ride my line, I match her rate. She don't chase green, she make it bait. And when she drop, I seal that fate. Drop it low, and I golden. Bounce so tight, had to hold it. TP hit, now she on it. Math too clean, can't clone it. Drop it low en la zona clave. Entry firme, nunca suave. It is so sweet, como clave. Golden pocket, ella sabe. Yo la marco, ella entra en swing.
Imaginary lines.
Moving like candles bring. Wick so deep, gotta hedge that sin. Stop so tight when I trade that thing. No lo dejo pa' después. Back destined on a dress. Price just math and she impressed. She scream Marcos a finesse. No emoción, solo precisión. Ella baila como
55, 52.
She love the zone. And when she drop, that's home. Drop it low and la golden. Bounce so tight, had to hold it. TP hit, now she own it. Math too clean, can't clone it. Drop it low en la zona clave. Entry firme, nunca suave. Wrist so sweet, como clave. Golden pocket, ella sabe. Lo marco lento, lo siento exacto. Él no adivina, él hace el acto. Baila pa'l trade, no por contrato. Golden touch, yo me impacto. Yeah. Ella no se mueve por suerte. Ella se mueve por niveles. Golden pocket. Marcos.
Yeah. Thought it was testing it now. It's real fun, it's real feel, it's real math. Scar, y'all lean up.
Yeah. They think I'm trading on testnet, cause I make it look too clean. Said no one get rich that fast. Must be similar demo scheme. I place that bid, I hit that TP. Now I'm somewhere you ain't seen. They trade with fear, I trade with cold. This price move built off machine. Rolls outside in the seat still warm. Penthouse trades and my wrist got storms. They hit margin, I hit Malone. They need signals, I move calm. Balance real, them feels hit fast. You still pray, I back this pass. My edge live, no fake account. You click hope, I click a mouse. They think it's test. But it's all real facts. Big trade hit, boom. Then I sign deals, sign it. Stress on charts, still. I'm just chill. Cold. They can't believe it. Why? The math too ill. Math. They think it's fake. Nah, it's just that tight. That stop too clean. That entry's light. They said you simming. I said you dreaming. You stuck in beta. I'm out here scheming. Woke up clear 5 figures. Didn't even leave that villa. One click trade got triggered. Chart came down, I drill her. They think it's capped, I let them talk. While I withdraw the vaults and yachts. You post games, I post results.
Back is so sore. God damn, what a workout.
Draw down low, account got health. They crowd forms, big for
Today was like such an unnecessary overkill workout. I was like yapping at the gym while working out. So I was like doing more sets than I should have for everything just because I was sitting there yapping while doing it. I'm mega cooked right now.
Then I sign deals, done. Stress on charts, I'm just chill.
Probably net negative, honestly. Doing that and then not even having protein today.
It's just that tight. That stop too clean. That entry's light. They They said you Simmons. I said you dreaming. You stuck in beta. I'm out here scheming.
Whatever.
This ain't testnet. This ain't sim. This ain't luck. This is math. Marcos.
Ooh, yeah. It's not luck, baby. It's not vibes. It's numbers. It's me, Marcos. You over there just pressing and praying. I'm over here just stacking and playing. You call it magic, I call it playing. I don't guess I understand. You trade feelings, I trade flow. You swing wild, I go slow. You chase pumps, I let them go. Then hit my level, take that glow. Charts said dance, so I made that move. Zone got kissed, now I'm in that groove. No hesitation, just that proof. Price don't lie, and I got the truth. The math is the math, baby, that's the code. Hit that level, then I hit that mode. You trade hope, but I trade facts. And now we dancing right with price reacts. The math is the math, it don't pretend. Clean execution from start to end. You count stars, I count stats. Math too smooth, now throw it back. She said, how you know when to go? I said, girl, the chart said so. She moved like price, that fib just hit. I swing that trade, then grip them hips. Golden pocket, that's her pace. Stop loss tight, no time to waste. Risk real light, reward insane. She ride my math, I ride the wave. Chart to dance, so I made that move. Zone got kissed, now I'm in that groove. No hesitation, just that proof. Price don't lie, and I got the truth. The math is the math, baby, that's the code. Hit that level, then I hit that mode. You trade hope, but I trade fast. And now we dancing right where price reacts. The math is the math, it don't pretend. Clean execution from start to end. You count stars, I count stacks. Math too smooth, now throw it back. Numbers don't lie, they just lead. Follow that line, then plant the seed. Risk it all, now I let it breathe. Now price hits sweet like summer breeze. The math is the math, baby, that's the code. Hit that level, then I hit that mode. You trade hope, but I trade facts. And now we dancing right where price reacts. The math is the math, it don't pretend. Clean execution from start to end. You count stars, I count stats. Math too smooth, now throw it back. No stress, no cap, just charts, beats, and math. Marcos.
Yeah. Marcos trains. Yeah. They study in the players, but the math too clean. Let's go. They envy the feel. I'm deep in the charts, got that sniper skill. I don't chase no hype, I just sit and chill. Nah, they moving with fear, I move with will. Facts, I'm floating above them, that V-Wop thrill. I trap they stops, then I press for the kill. Press it. They draw fake zones, I bend the field. Whoop it. Their team look shook, I just broke they shield. Broke it. Market makers mad, they can't touch the plan. I lay down fields like a beach with sand. Big orders led from the top to the land. They clicking in fear, I type with one hand. Extensions long like the clip on the stick. 7/8 tapped, then the profit came quick. They plot on my downfall, still I uplift. They tryna front run, but I'm running the script. Ready to feel, yeah. I'm deep in the charts, got the sniper skill. Scope. I don't chase no hype, I just sit and chill. Post it. They moving with feel, I move with will. I'm floating above them, that V-Walk thrill. I trap they stops, then I press for the kill. They draw fake zones, I bend the field. They team look shook, I just broke they shield. Math hit me like a Bentley swing. Cuban link heavy when I step in the lane. They reload clips, but I reload brains. Cause the fifth game raw, got them stuck in pain. Spoof they orders, make them think it's real. Hit with size, now they beg for a deal. They don't want smoke, they just want a pill. But Marco's cooking filet with the steel. Envy the feel. I'm deep in the charts, got a sniper skill. I don't chase no hype, I just sit and chill. They moving with feel, I move with will. I'm floating above them, that V-Wop thrill. I trap they stops, then I press for the kill. They draw fake zones, I bend the field. They team look shook, I just broke they shield.
She don't move off vibes now. She move off Fibonacci. Golden pocket, baby, come ride the retrace with me. Oh. I see you watching from the 0.5, but I know you want that deeper dive. I don't just move for any touch, but baby, you rate me just enough. You wait for pullbacks, I love that pace. You trace my curves like a Fairy trace. I drop it low, right on the zone. That golden pocket, I call it home. I drop it low, on the golden pocket. Marco's fix, you know I won't stop it. Bounce back slow, let you time that rocket. We ride the wave and we never lost it. I dip, you grip, yeah, you always lock it. Roll 680, girl, I had to clock it. Wrist so tight, but the move so profit. Golden love in a golden pocket, yeah. I don't chase moves, I let them breathe. But you retrace like the air I need. Body aligned like fit precision. You hit that level, I make decisions. Confluence, hips and candles match. You signal clean, I strike the patch. EMA flow, girl, you trend so mean. And you bounce like you know what the market means. Back test my love, it's proven stats. You read my mood like you read those graphs. I don't fake breaks, I stay legit. You don't get caught, you time to dip. You my zone, my setup clean. Scaling slow, then let it steam. Pull me in with that deep precision. Your body's math and I trust the vision. I drop it low, on the golden pocket. White goes back, fix, you know I won't stop it. Bounce back slow, let you time that rocket. We ride the wave and we never lost it. I dip, you grip, yeah, you always lock it. A pour 16, girl, I had to clock it. Wrist so tight, but the move so profit. Golden love in the golden pocket, yeah. You don't chase highs, you wait to give. You don't short love, you let it live. We trade and sync, we move with grace. Golden pocket, our favorite place.
It's Marcos. You feel that? That's your liquidation. Got him.
I don't guess, I don't pray, I do math. Golden pocket entry, run it back. Top long, but I'm sure that's your path. Meanwhile, I print yachts off your raft. Stop hunts with my chain, that's a fact. You full mode high, man, that's a trap. Options printing while you crash. I said it once, the math is the math. Fib levels tattered on my Tesla doors. I front run wells while you chase whores. Emotion your sleeve, I see the pause. I fade your tears and cop some more. Liquidy sweep, I eat your soul. That wick up top, I plan that roll. Market maker envy, I stole they code. Risk reward got me in control. control. Stats in my blood, I don't see red. You dream of profits, I wake up fed. Your candle closes my Rolex thread. And your stop loss, just pay my spread. I don't guess, I don't pray, I do math. Golden pocket entry, run it back. Top long, but I'm sure that's your path. Meanwhile, I print yachts off your wrath. Stop hunts feed my chain, that's a fact. You full mode high, man, that's a trap. Options printing while you crash. I said it once, the math is the math. You bought resistance, that's cute, bro. I took the other side, I run the show. And balance field, that's your grave. Institutional flow, I surf the wave. V-word bounce, I catch that flight. You revenge trade, I sleep at night. You scalp noise, I chart precision. Your broken dreams fund my decisions. Delta stacked, I see the lean. My P&L's fat, your screen's just green. But that green turns red, then you cry. I'm sipping Bordeaux while you ask why. Math don't lie, but you do. You chase pumps, I move through. Your margin cool, buys me suits. Your liquidation pay my pool. I don't guess, I don't pray, I do math. Golden pocket entry, run it back. Talk long, but I'm sure that's your path. Meanwhile, I print yachts off your rafts. Stop hunts feed my chain, that's a fact. You full mode high, man, that's a trap. Options printing while you crash. I said it once, the math is the math. From Fibonacci to Black Skull's dreams. I don't chase, I scheme. Wall Street, scared of the king. And retail, you just fuel the machine. Got him.
Fibonacci, feel the vibe. Wooden pocket, we gon' slide. Math in motion, let it ride. Marco's got that coded guide. Touch the 6-6, then we dip. 702, let it flip. 7-5 in the mix, that's lit. Catching entries, never miss.
Charts so wavy, fibs on point. Deeper we go, bigger the joint. Set my levels, I ain't guessing. Price come dance at each progression. From 0.5 to that 786. Stack my size when it gets that fix. Other traders, they still wish. I'm in profit, blowing kiss.
Numbers glow, they never lie. Magic math beneath the sky. Late night charts, stars in view. Golden zones, we know what to do. Fibonacci, feel the vibe. Golden pocket, we gon' slide. Math in motion, let it ride. Marco's got that coded guide. Touch a 6-6, then we dip. 702, let it flip. 7-5 in the mix, that's lit. Catching entries, never miss. Fibonacci, feel the vibe. Golden pocket, we gon' slide. Math in motion, let it ride. Marco's got that coded guide. There's no luck, it's calculated. Every line, never be weighted. History's back to where we started. Now price move, never we charted. There's no luck, it's calculated. Every line, perfectly weighted. History's back to where we started. Now price move, like we charted. Golden, like my wrist, charted. Then we twist. Marco's trades, math is art. Fibonacci got my heart. Fibonacci, feel the vibe. Golden pocket, we gon' slide. Math in motion, let it ride. Marco's got that coded guide. Fibonacci, feel the vibe. Golden pocket, mix that's lit. Math in motion, let it ride. Marco's got that coded guide. Touch a 6-6, then we dip. 702, let it flip. 7-5 in the mix that's lit. Catching entries, never miss. Fibonacci, feel the vibe. Golden pocket, we gon' slide. Math in motion, let it ride. Marco's got that coded guide. Fibonacci, feel the vibe. Put in pocket, we gon' slide. Math in motion, let it ride. Marco's got that coded guide.
Come closer to my entry. Bounce sweet when it touch that key. I said line now she whine on me. All this math now we trade so free. You stressing charts, I just let that be. Price come close like it dance for me. When it hit, we just let it breathe. Then we take that back so clean.
Fibonacci all through her waistline. She twists like chart when I place mine. 618 got a curve so fine. Golden pocket, now she call it divine. Late night trade while the moonlight drip. Price approach slow, I don't even trip. Patience stack while the wrist got drip. Waves on screen while we take
Come closer to my entry. Bounce sweet when it touch that key. I said line, now she whine on me. All this math, now we trade so free. You stressing charts, I just let that be. Price come close like
30-minute candle coming up. Okay. Okay.
take that bag so clean.
Okay.
Don't move unless the fib align. Trade that plan, then we sip that wine. Risk real low, but the P&L shine. Same math make the stars combine. Palm tree swaying while she watch me chart. Told her chill, let the math do part. She believe now, say I play it smart. Cause price came back like it knew my heart. It was doubting the lines I drew, but now price kiss it just like you. It's all numbers, but it feels so true. She say Marcos, this math feel new. Come closer to my entry. Bounce sweet when it touch that key. I said line, now she whine on me. All this math, now we trade so free. You stressing charts, I just let that be. Price come close like it dance for me. When it hit, we just let it breathe. Then we take that back so clean.
Don't chase it, let it come. Wait for the math, don't run. No rush, and I wait my turn. Let it build, let candles burn. Pulse stays calm, the screen might flash, but I don't move till numbers match. No rush, and I know my zone. It comes to me, I'm in my throne. Noise outside, but I stay still. My chart speaks, I let it fill.
No emotion in my click. I'll go clean the fib legit. 618, I stack, I sit. Day long, the wick, the crowd ain't quit. Molten fate, I don't bite. Just one trap and candle flight. I ain't press, I dim the light. Let price come back, I strike at night.
Don't follow hype, just watch the math. The crowd will fade, you choose the path. No rush, and I wait my turn. Let it build, let candles burn. Pulse stays calm, the screen might flash, but I don't move till numbers match. No rush, and I know my zone. It comes to me, I'm in my throne. Noise outside, but I stay still. My chart speaks, I let it fill. Let it breathe. Math don't lie, you just wait.
Marcos. Hey, it's red out. Blood drip, trend flip, we feasting. Mad, don't lie. Yeah. Market looking hella bearish. Broke that lowest parish. Gone. Mac confirmed, I'm fair, let's go. Heavy shorts, I'm careless. V-Wop tapped and dump. Boom. Volume spike that slump. Crash. Breakdown clean, no pump. Nah. Cut through charts like Trump. Marcos caught that versal clean. Lower out hot and I lean. Short. TP stacking in green. I ain't stressing no dreams. 618 it missed. Rip that 786. Ops long get flipped. Ouch. Now they margin slip. Margin call. Market looking hella bearish. Broke that low, it's perish. Match confirmed, I'm fearless. Heavy shorts, I'm careless. V-Wop tapped and dump. Volume spike, that slump. Breakdown clean, no pump. Cut through charts like Trump.
3-minute candle print.
TB hit, need more. Reload.
Where is this thing?
That fake bounce on shores. Markers on guess he measure.
Okay.
High till a low pure pressure.
Okay.
Too fake pleasure. I stay short like a lecture. Midnight glow on my screen. Smoking loud while it bleeds. Wrist on ice, it gleams. But the tape mean. Yeah. We shorted the
I would do a juice box actually now, right? I should go to bed soon.
Red candles count.
Probably the wiser of two ideas. To wrap all this shit up for now. Close that, close that. I'm honestly not much of a juice box, right? Lower this. Bang. What was this?
Hit press long at the highs, no plan. Chase the green with a trembling hand. Candle wicked, now we don't understand. While I mark that top in the motherland. Fibs don't lie, but emotions do. He saw pump, but I saw through. I sip my tea while the chart unwind. One candle down, now he left behind.
Rid of that for now.
You went long where we go short. No bias check, just Twitter talk. That green fooled you into hope. Now you flow while I just coast. Top longer. Ooh, you pressed it bad. Now you deep in drawdown looking sad. Top longer. Now you can't breathe while I fade that strength and leave with ease. Top longer. That wick don't care. It kissed your field and vanished in air. Top longer. You chased too high. I was selling slow while you kissed the sky. She asked me how I move so light. I said I chart in rhythm, not in fright. I let them long, then I pick my side. While they screaming red, I just glide. Golden pocket like a love affair. One touch, then I'm never there. They spam green, I just set that trap. Flip, then lean right back. You went long where we go short. No fib, no flow, no candle thought. The breakout, just a break of peace. Now I collect while you beg for release. Top longer. Ooh, you pressed it bad. Now you deep in drawdown looking sad. Tight breakout, just a break of peace. Now I collect while you beg for release. Top longer. That wick don't care. Kissed your field and vanished in air. Top longer. You chased too high. I was stelling slow while you kissed the sky. It's not emotion, it's math, my friend. Price don't love you, it just pretends. So don't chase highs with no clear end, or you'll pay the price for that reckless greed. Top longer, it's a shame to see you bought the lie while I sip my tea. Top longer, hope don't pay, but I get paid every single day. Top longer, next time wait, don't chase the sun at the wrong gate. Top longer, now you know we mark the top and let it go. I fade that fire, you play with flame. The math is the math, and we're not the same.
Fascinating. I need to change this chart. I think we need to make these charts dark. That's what we need to do here. What do I have it at on this? 60?
Silence been trading was prayer, yeah. I spoke with sin. No priest, just me and a flickering screen. Yeah, one shot, had to take it. No sleep, had to make it. Dark nights, cold basement. Now my wrist looking sacred. They ain't care, they was vacant. No help, just hatred. Not flex in the matrix. And my fam never waiting. Price hit, I ain't shake, I feel. Stop loss, tight the entry kill. One trade flip, how my block feel. Now mom smiling, a house on a hill. They ain't right when the loss was real. Now they cheer while I coast in silk. Still the same, just math and skill. Just more rooms in a place I built. Had much, just a chart and plan. No cosigns, no open hand. But now they see what I became. One shot, and I changed the fam.
Getting a little tricky, right? Starting to get a little tricky to get in on a move here if not already in something. Like we are just getting like tighter and tighter at this point. Like at any point, if we start to like break out of like any side, it's like potential to just start like blowing past either zone. And also like we're trying to get into like a short here somewhere, like you just risk like that crap, right?
Candle wicks talk, I read them like paper. One big block, I don't move like retail. I draw the line, you call it a detail. Options box like shipping crates. IV high, then I rotate. You stress losses, I stress Greeks. You move for clout, I move discreet. Lied on pose and I came out vapes. When I get fall, I'm a laughing state. I'm a lift nut with my neck so tape. Fix up, fixed up, car and a brace. Limits, pivots, I'm setting the tone. Side so deep, price don't move on its own. Flash that wick, that's me in the zone. You chase pumps, I bank and I'm gone. You place dreams, I post limits. Whole trend bends when I send digits. Short the low, that's your ticket. Top gets long, then I flip it. Broker store, they can't feel mine, so they widen spreads and delay time. News don't move it, tweets don't phase. It's Marcos trades that bend the wave. Fake outs live where I place bait. Whole trend shifts off, risk I rate. Top gets squeezed while I sell calm. Your moon is my exit, thanks for the palm. Golden zone, that's my canvas. You chart hope, I move like an atlas. Leverage max, that's harvest season. They get got and don't know the reason.
You say it's luck, but I've seen this loop. You caught the spike, I wrote the scoop. Your stops fun suits, I'm my next booth. You trade belief, I execute truth.
Limits, pivots, this ain't a guess. Risk gets taxed while I compress. No reaction, I pre-play stress. Your whole edge, I repossess. You felt the shift, but I placed the weight. They say whales move the sea, but I own the tide. The math is the math.
I put in the work, now the market, my baby. Chart like tight curves and the flow drive me crazy. Standard depth tight, I know when she break, she give me that wick. I just need one shake. I calculate love like it's volume weighted. She move with rhythm, never outdated. One sigma shift, I'm deep in my lane. Trade run smooth while I hold her frame. Fibonacci touch, now she calling my name. 618, and she feeling the flame. She asked how I know, I just smile and explain. Delta was dry, but I saw the game. It's too easy when you do it right. Math so clean it turned dark to light. It's too easy when you know the vibe. One retrace and we both align. It's too easy when you study deep. No chase, we just let it repeat. It's too easy, now the price obey. And we whisper in charts in a sweet delay.
You drew that fib, now I ride that line. Touch my zone with that entry fine. No need to rush, I respect your pace. I see the math in the way you trace. You plot that swing like you read my soul. Pull back soft, but your logic bold. RSI low, I was feeling weak till you brought that flow. Now I peak each week. I don't need flowers, I need that plan. Show me the chart, I'll show you a fan. You know the levels, you know the zone. You read my mind like you read the cone.
It's too easy when you do it right. Math so clean it turned dark to light.
Okay, here, this is like the real dilemma, right? It's like on the smaller impulse, like right here. There's like a little box here, right? A little box forming. A red box. And there's like the negative point of control on CME up here and here, right? On the larger tick size. And like we did like auction open inside, like try to auction lower and like burst out relatively quick. And like now we're above this value area high. So like the volume and EPO value area high are up here from yesterday. But quite like seems like we are making our way towards this region. Problem is that there's like this box up here, right? And then like even more magnets up here. So a little risky taking the 4 here. Also, like the thing is that the order book has been very empty. The spot order book is until like 60k is like just fucking thin air, and same to the upside. So like in terms of the spot order book, like melting in either direction is possible. Same with perps until 7100. There's like nothing in the perps order book.
What if I test that level? Then I'll buy the dip every time.
The math is the math.
But volatility starts to pick up. We can just start to like blow up to these higher zones or to these lower zones pretty easily. However, we'll just start writing them down, right? Just kind of just keep them in mind as usual. Look at the data. Don't trade these things blindly. Keep this context in mind. Well, the first thing's going to be like the naked point of control, PD value area high rotation. Slash like small liquidity grab, right? Plus math. Go to the math. The next one would be like this kind of like higher one, right? The same kind of story, same kind of story. There's a lot going up here. And there's like the poor high on CME up here. Yeah, keep that in mind as well. We'll just say the purple box. Purple box. From the downside, hard to say. Hard to say. Probably be trying to like weasel in on like flipping this zone, right? To come back down, lose this, flip it to the daily VWAP. Trying to like ride it out to this zone or this. Like there's a lot of imbalances below on CME, right? Hopefully these come along for the ride. If that setup is gonna play out. Hopefully order flows like hella bearish because it's a little risky, right? So like the usual story when it starts to get tighter and tighter. I remember like right in the at that point we'd be like working our way down to the Valeria low. We'll kind of just leave that. Like flipping slash bearish retest of PD Valeria low plus the daily VWAP. I think right now we're at yesterday's VWAP, right? Pretty close. Pretty close, yeah, right. Sitting right on that bitch. And we've talked about everything else. We've talked about everything else in terms of the shorts. All other. Look at all this higher stuff. No difference from what's been talked about on Discord. Like, yeah, these red box. These ones were updated like today. These ones are a bit more recent. These ones are not. So keep that in mind. Like, obviously, it's quite far away, but I'll probably post. I'll update the yellow lines somewhat soon. At some point this week, probably. I'll put like a big ass screenshot of it in one of the market updates. I'll just like, put everything else hidden and just zoom out and put the yellow lines and then done with that. In terms of the long, tricky. Because like this is like the time to like try and get in, right? And if you were trying to get in today on this like pullback, like on these like deeper fib levels, like the 7 and whatnot that we had earlier. But that's kind of it. Boom, 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 boom. Like a lot go down to the downside here, right? Plus like this stuff. Boom, 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 boom. Probably be like the inverse of this thing, right? If that zone does get flipped. Like if we do get up here and there is like no bearish edge forming, and it does like go through it and then like come to like retest this stuff and flip it, whether you want to get filled on the retrace or wait for the structure to change and like target at least this and then this higher stuff to you. We're looking like something like this. So that depends how this ends up printing. To be targeting this higher stuff. Something where like the risk reward at least makes sense. Wouldn't be putting to a whole lot of size in a trade like this because it's quite risky in the middle. Right at this point, we'd be right at the point of control, right? Essentially. So not the best spot to be entering a trade. In reality, you're better off waiting for these like larger deviations at this point, right? If you're not in something already, it's kind of how the game goes sometimes. You want those higher probability juicy entries, you gotta wait, get on your hands. If you are trying to like get on the action like a fucking fiend, probably gonna be flipping this, right? Flipping slash bullish retest of TD Valley area. Inverse of short number 1. Same story here. Same story with this thing, right? I'm like trying to like flip this region. I'm like ding ding ding. King slash bullish retest of the purple box. And same story, right? All the other longs you already talked about. Whether it's this deeper stuff or this like higher thing that we were talking about on the daily. Like flipping this region. Kind of like ding, ding, ding. I'm like trying to ride it back up to like at least up here somewhere. There's a gap fill too, right? Like 84, I believe. Yeah. Probably gonna be your best bets, right? Something along these lines. Get rid of that thing. Yeah. It's interesting times though, interesting times. But the order book is pretty thin right now. I'm very curious to see what's going on here, right? Like, are these things gonna start breaking down or not? We're not. Yeah, I suspect whatever ends up happening with these, like let's say tomorrow seems like some like massive green dildo. This thing's probably gonna blast through to like this kind of zone, right? And if it starts just shitting the bed, probably gonna blast it through the downside. Yeah, time to wrap things up. Time to get out of here. Done with the yapping. Oh, in terms of the stream tomorrow, hard to say to be honest. Because I leave tomorrow, that's the thing. Like I definitely won't be streaming at night, that's for sure. That I'll already be in Toronto by then. So like it's either like I squeeze in like a shorter stream during the day or nothing. And it just kind of will be back again in March at some point. Kind of proceed from there. I'm trying to think, can we fit this in tomorrow? We'll see. We'll see how the day goes. Because I think I have to go get stuff from my house before leaving. And then I have to pack too. So if we do stream tomorrow, it'll be probably like a quicker thing, like 1-2 hours. Maybe just come here, see if things going on. How about this? If we're getting volatility, I'll try and hop on. If it's like just ding-donging in here, nothing's really going on, and I still haven't finished this shit, probably it's not going to bother. Either way, we'll kind of post in a Discord, right? Keep in touch through there. And I'm going to start posting the plans in the Discord again while I'm gone. Anyways. And in terms of coming back, it'll probably be in March. I don't think I'll be back before the end of February. We'll see. I have nothing set in stone in that regard, so a bit hard to kind of give a definitive date. Yeah. Either way, we'll figure it out as it comes. Not exactly an urgent priority. So quick shout on the out of here for now. think we just got Harris Kamal, right? I don't know what Harris was nerding out on, but shout out to Harris Kamal for nerding out on something. Yeah, that should do it, right? It should wrap things up, I believe. I don't think we missed a whole lot. I guess we didn't really discuss the options data, but whatever. We'll go on depth on it in the Discord or tomorrow if we stream, if anything. For now, I am out of here. Later. Later. Later.